IDCA has the best training and certification in the marketplace when it comes to understanding standards, best practices, and how to achieve operational excellence.
IDCA actually started with education almost 14 years ago because we felt that creating the workforce and the manpower necessary to fuel the digital economy and to power up cloud infrastructure and AI data centers and data centers in general is key. And knowledge is paramount to the whole ecosystem. Majority of downtimes happen because of human error. Majority of human errors happen because of lack of knowledge or expertise, or lack of confidence for a better term. If you don't have the confidence to touch megawatts of power and cooling, you wouldn't be performing well and you would be tortured at work. So creating that layer of education that can actually get you committed to working with performance is key. And that's exactly what IDCA training does. Our training is extremely different from every other training that's in the market.
IDCA training is exceptional, and I've attended many training courses. Trainers will not only tell you what and how you're learning, but why you're learning it, and getting everyone on the same page. And it brings worldwide experiences to the stage, so you understand and conceptualize the importance of what you're learning.
As a data center owner or operator, or as a stakeholder, if I want to send my staff to a training program, I want them to come back to me with actionable items so that they can create proper feedback system up to the ladder of my decision making, so that I can make better decisions for my organization. I want them to be able to identify problems. I want them to be able to work together in a better and a more communicative way. I want them to create harmony within the ecosystem of my data centers. And that's exactly what the IDCA training does.
The problem you have is they have these capabilities. The left hand does not know what the right hand is doing. So there's a massive disconnect. Everybody says, my side is working, your side is working. So where's the problem? IDCA sits in the middle. Bring in the facilities guys, bring in the applications guys, bring in the IT guys, bring in everybody together. And in the middle, the business objectives. We're able to train you and help you bring everyone together based on the IDCA Infinity paradigm to speak a common language, such that everyone understands, even the janitor that is involved in the data center understands his or her purpose in the entire ecosystem.
Data centers and the digital economy is such a unique field, and you really need professional people in there that can understand how to maximize the opportunity. Training, certification, all of those things play an important role, and IDCA is focused on delivering quality outcomes with all of the people in the value chain.
The IDCA training and certification, I think, is something that every single organization out there should really try. And this is really based on the feedback that we received. We're one of the largest training organizations in the world. We train Fortune 500 companies. We train many people in the tech space. And everybody that actually came to our classes came out feeling that they learned something.
Our trainers come from the groundwork of this industry. They actually do audits on day-to-day basis. They're working with hyperscalers on day-to-day basis. They're designing the latest and the greatest AI data centers. So when an IDCA instructor addresses a class, they talk about real-life stories and scenarios. They talk about something that happened yesterday on a job site. So that takes the whole experience to a whole different level. Our programs are designed around case studies and problem solving and group activities. So there is an atmosphere of dialogue rather than a monologue, and people really benefit from this sort of education. And understanding that everybody in a data center needs to have a data center language, not a cooling language, not a power language, not a security or IT language, but the data center language is key.